So now all we have to do is to get into the subscription, and before that I'm going to copy this and I'm going to get into the subscription, and right after here I'm just going to say get subscriptions, and instead of inquiry I'm going to say subscription. So save this. Now we have those subscriptions, and get into the stats cards. I'm just going to say simply copy and paste, and then I'm just going to say subscriptions, and here I'm just going to say get subscriptions. Save this, and I need to supply the subscriptions over here. Okay, so if the users by default it is going to have an empty value. If there is any error is happening, we don't want to run into that issue, so I'm just going to supply the default value as an empty array. Then I'm just going to say over here const subscriptions is equals to await get subscriptions. Open it, then subscriptions is equals to subscriptions. Save these changes. Now get into the stats card. I'm going to display the card one more time, and this time it's going to be total subscriptions, and here all time subscriptions total count, and instead of inquiries it is going to be the subscriptions, and instead of list I'm going to say books. List check. Okay, this icon would be an appropriate one. All right, so let's get into the stats card. Icon is not more visible. I think that would be more fine. And now if I refresh this, everything is working, loading and pulling all the required data from the server and displaying it perfectly. All right, so we finished the displaying the overview, and now all we have to do is to create a nav menu for the dashboard and display the all those data in a separate way, and that is what we are going to do now.